All right, so here's a short video on just combining some of the things we've talked about as far as applications of percents. So a lot of times there's more than just one thing going on, and I wanted you to see a couple examples and then just practice that this week. So if you have a sweater at a mall that costs $19.99, it's on sale for 25% off. When you purchase the item, you'll also pay a sales tax of $8.25. You only pay the sales tax on the price of the sweater. So the price of the sweater isn't $19.99, it's 25% off that. So the first thing you need to do is take the $19.99 and multiply it by the 0.25 to see what the discount is. Now when you put this in the calculator, you get like 4.997. That 7 rounds up the first 9, and then that 9 will round up the first 9, so like the tenths, and so it all rounds to $5. So you get a $5 discount. So really, the sweater is $19.99 minus the $5. So you're actually only paying $14.99 for the sweater. So you're only going to pay taxes on that $14.99. So if you're going to pay 8.25%, we're going to take our $14.99 and multiply it by 0.0825 to find how much they're actually paying on taxes. So if you take $14.99 times 0.0825, you get $1.24 in taxes. So your total is $14.99 plus the $1.24. So your total price would be $16.23. You order food to be delivered to your house. The food bill was $28.75. You have a coupon for 10% off, and you'd like to tip that's a typo, the driver 20%. So there's a couple of different, like, I wouldn't say common courtesy, I can't think of the phrase, but typically you tip off of your total. So if you have a discount, you'll still tip on the actual total of the food. Same in a restaurant. So, and you'll see in example 3, if you have sales tax and a tip, typically you just tip off of your food bill alone, not the food bill including the sales tax. You could do it either way, it's possible, but most people tip before taxes or before discounts. So I'm gonna take this $28.75 and I'm gonna see what my tip is. So if I take $28.75 times 0.20, my tip is $5.75. If I get 10% off my order, I wanna know what 10% off my original $28.75 would be. So if I do that math, I get $2.88 for a discount. So technically I started with $28.75. I wanted to pay $5.75. I get that $2.88 discount minus $2.88. So my food really only costs $25.87, but I want to tip my driver that 20%. So I'm gonna add the $5.75. So really, my total should be $31.62. On example 3, you've got the order. So the only thing they didn't give you is the total. So if Bill and his friends ordered 2 hamburgers at $5.95 each, you're gonna have to find how much that would be. They got a chicken sandwich for $6.25, an order of ribs for $12.99, and then 4 sodas for $1.75. So I've got some math here to do first before I can even worry about those percents. So 2 times $5.95, they paid $11.90 for sodas. 4 times $1.75, they paid $7 for the sodas. Sorry, these were the hamburgers. And then if I take these 4 totals, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and add them all up, then I get a total food bill of $38.14. So we're gonna pay a sales tax of 6%, and they wanna leave, again, a 20% tip. So typically you tip on this amount, not this amount with the taxes on top of it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my $38.14, and I'm gonna find how much my tip would be. So my tip off of that should be about $7.63. Now I need to see how much I would pay in sales tax, so 0.06. This should help you appreciate receipts a little bit more, right? We don't actually have to sit and do this at the restaurant. But normally your tip, you kind of want to get an idea of how much you should be fair with. So 38.14 times 0.06, we get about $2.29 in taxes. So all together, you're gonna pay $38.14 for the food. You're gonna pay $2.29 for the taxes, and then you're gonna pay $7.63 for your tip. So if you add all of those together, you get about $48.06 as your total.